Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a Blogger website for free. So, let's get started.
Jack it up.
First, open a browser and go to www.blogger.com. And you should see like this. Click Create Your Blog and log in to your Google account. Choose the name of the blog. After that, click Next. Choose a URL for your blog. It's free, but end with .blogspot.com. If it's available for you, you can see like this. After that, click Next. If you think the URL is rather long, you can re-edit it. Click Previous. Edit the URL. After that, click Next. Confirm the display name. After that, click Finish. Processing. It's finished creating a blog website. Let's view the blog. This is the URL of the blog. You can see that there is no posts or contents on that blog website. So, let's create a post. Now, I'm creating a post. After editing the post, you can preview it. Desktop preview, tablet preview, mobile preview. If you like the post, click Publish. Click Confirm. It's finished posting. Let's review our blog. It's all done. Enjoy. Hi everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.